I had already decided that I wanted to take my woodworking skills a little bit further, and when I saw the wood and boat building program, I just saw that it was really taking woodworking to the next level.
I was looking for something hands-on that wasn't going to take 4 years or anything like that, and I just happened to stumble upon it. I just said, this is where I need to be.
I realized that this was the right place for me pretty much right off the bat, and we really just hit the ground running. Day one, you're already learning how to sharpen your chisels, you're already learning how to use a bandsaw, to really kind of take this stuff even further just within the first week or two. I knew that I had made the right decision.
When IYRS called me, it definitely took some thinking, you know, because everyone that comes to school here is very hands-on, and you're like, I'm gonna go build something and this is awesome. But then I step back and I'm like, well, I could make a difference in other people's lives too. And this is such a great program, and I wanted to be part of that.
We start students that have never, very possibly never been on a boat, never picked up a tool. So my instructor, or me as instructor now, once I can trust that a student can keep their chisels sharp, can trust everybody in the machine room on their own, and that they know what quality of work I'm looking for, then we can really get into wooden boats, starting with just general woodworking skills, and then we really take things further into steam bending, much tighter joinery, varnish, paints, how to stay safe in a shop. We also, you know, I'm very strong about the soft skills, work ethic, showing up on time, taking pride in your work.
Not too shabby.
And really just enjoying yourself over the course of the day.
Technically speaking, we work for you, but we're here to train you on what it's like to be in a shop. It's more of a, all right, well, I have to wait an hour and a half for this to finish curing, so what else can I do while I'm doing this? And it's constantly thinking on your feet and being prepared and keeping yourself busy.
You know, we're here at 8:30 every day. We take a lunch break, we take a morning break, we take an afternoon break, and then we leave at 5. So, you know, we mirror a job. And so aside from just what we do every day, we're kind of running through it just like we'd be going to work.
You know, you have the basic skills to go out on the job and know what you're talking about and understand the directions that you're going to be given. And at the same time, you know what's going to be expected of you. So you're getting that shop experience, you're getting that professional career advice, and we're just trying to mold you as best we can.
We really are trying to make a proper craftsman, someone that appreciates quality of work, you know, understands that we should be showing up on time if we have an obligation. It's not just about just the hands-on cutting a joint or sawing to a line. It really is about caring about that joint and caring about what type of product you're going to have in the end.
It's how you got there. It's not about the end result. It's about the process.
In its history, you know, when we first started, it was just a wood and boat building program. And over the past decade or so, we've been branching out. We started with a marine systems program.
We have composite technology, which is also very heavily in the marine industry, and the digital modeling and fabrication. All of those components are in the marine industry, but they go so far beyond that.
Just because I'm teaching you how to build a wooden boat doesn't mean that's the only thing in this world that's made out of wood. You know, I think woodworking in general is used in furniture, in house building, in crafts, in interior design, in restaurants, and all these different places.
Composites is somewhat of an unknown, mysterious industry. It's not just boat building. It is, you know, mold making, it is aerospace, it is building cars, it's being an artist. There's so many different ways you can go, and we're trying to help you. A lot of teachers take on that style of, I'm your teacher, I'm going to tell you what to do, and then I'm going to go walk away. We don't do that. We're hands-on with you.
Especially the young ones that are 18 years old right out of high school, you know, they're coming in as young as children, and they're leaving, you know, solid craftsmen, and it's a pretty amazing experience to be part of.
I love working with them. I love showing them new things, and I love watching them progress. Whether it's in the middle of their life and they're starting over again, or they're in their early 20s and this is where their career is beginning.
It really changed my life, and I really enjoy being part of this process of changing other people's lives also.